Stay with me. I'm gonna show you how I make this stuffed jalapeno. It's gonna be delicious, not overcooked, not undercooked, just the right way. Stay with me. Okay, we have this nice bacon. We're gonna cut like this in small pieces and pre-cook on slow flame, just like that. I just cut the bacon in the small pieces. Always cook the bacon in low flame, low heat. Don't go with a high heat because we're gonna burn the meat, and the fat we're gonna stay raw. With the low flame, everything cooks even. Okay, just put our bacon into the pan. Low flame, and we're back. While our bacon is cooking, we're preparing our giant jalapeno. Cut them in half. Just like this. Cut them nice in halves. We'll take out the inside seeds. You see, I cut in half both, like this. We're gonna take out this white stuff in the seed. Easy. How you handle your knife, because it's dangerous. Something like this. You build like a boat. Both our bacon is doing great here. You see, low flame. It is cooking right. Beautiful. Our bacon is ready, and we're gonna take it out and leave it to cool to the room temperature, because if we're using this over the cheese right now hot, it's not okay. But by the time the bacon is cooling down, you see, this is nice color. The bacon is not burnt. Beautiful. Okay, let it cool down. And now I prepared here a small pan, and we're gonna pre-cook this jalapeno in the oven at 350, just for 6-7 minutes, because with the cheese on top and everything, the jalapeno will remain raw or uncooked. We're gonna pre-cook them, and then fill with the cheese in the oven 7 minutes. Got our cream cheese and some herbs, some scallion, using some herbs whatever you like parsley, just a little bit, not too much. And I got the tarragon from my garden at home. It's good. Just a few leaves like this, fresh, and we're gonna have a nice color too. This chop like this. Good. Just like this. We got this scallion. Put some stuff for flavor and also for color. In small pieces like this. Good. I see the people making this jalapeno wrapped with bacon, but I like them more with the pre-cooked bacon inside the cheese and in the oven in halves, because it's easier to eat. Now our bacon is cooled, it's room temperature, and we are mixing here with our cheese. Got some salt, not so much because the bacon is salty, just a little bit. Some pepper, not too much because the jalapeno is hot already, and mix. And mix good our cheese here. I ended up with 10 minutes cooking, pre-cooking our jalapenos. Now they are cooling a little bit. I'm gonna fill with our cream cheese with herbs, scallions, salt, pepper, and the bacon, crispy bacon. Stay tuned. Stuffing them with our cheese. Put the cheese inside, just like this. Some bacon. Use your hands. Fill them. Just like this. Will be great. Beautiful. Prepare them all like that. And gonna broil them on medium heat. These are our jalapeno halves stuffed with cream cheese. This is the way I make it. And now on top I'm gonna put some bread crumbs for some extra crispiness, just like this, not so much. Beautiful. Back in the pan on the broiling on high, but I keep them lower and keep under the control until they are nice, crispy and beautiful color on top. Show you after that. Our jalapenos are ready. They are nice, crispy, nice color, and I keep them in the oven on high broiler, but the rack a bit lower, and you watch them, you know, don't leave them there because you're gonna be very fast. And you achieve this color and they are ready. I'm gonna try one of these for you. You can serve them as an appetizer or as a side to something else, but appetizers, these are good. Beautiful. Our jalapeno, beautiful. I'm gonna taste it for you. Take a knife and a fork. If you like the jalapeno extra hot, you can use some extra hot sauce here on top. Like my son, he likes everything very hot and put all hot stuff on top. I like it with some olive oil on top, just a little bit like this. That's all. You see? Nice color. Now I'm gonna taste it for you. Jalapeno, cream cheese, crispy bacon, herbs, salt and pepper. Wow. Looks nice. Let's taste it. It's wonderful. It's not hot, it's just a little bit. Nice cheese and bacon. The flavor is great, it's beautiful. I hope you make this. It's a nice dish. Watch out our channel, Table Tree Cuisine, for other videos. Thank you for subscribing and like. Bon appetit. Enjoy it. Thank you. Bye bye.